And today we're going to be doing fish tacos. This is how you marinate the fish for the fish tacos. First, baste them with mustard on each side. And then salt and pepper. Next, we season our flour with salt and a little bit of black pepper. First, we're going to add some olive oil. Now we're going to flour our fish on both sides. We just flip it. Make sure all the flour This is the cabbage salad for fish tacos. Cucumber, tomatoes, white onions, cilantro, lemon juice, jalapeno juice. The last two ingredients, a little bit of salt and pepper. Time to finish our fish tacos. First, we put the fried fish on each tortilla, 2 little strips, and then we'll add the cabbage salad, 1 scoop per taco. And some avocado to finish it off.